Hello students and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to start with next chapter, that is GST, Goods and Service Tax. Now see, before starting this chapter I would like to clear one thing, that what is basically tax. Now see, every government, whether it be central or state government, they need money for their administrative expenses, welfare and development schemes, salaries of the employees and so on. So where do this money come from? So this money comes from by these taxes only. Now these taxes are basically divided into two types. The one is direct and other one is indirect tax. Direct tax is that tax that is levied on the income of individual, matlab that is taken on the income of individuals. So that is what direct tax. So we call it as income tax or we call it as corporate tax. Now indirect tax are those tax when we buy certain goods, services or both we buy. So we have to pay indirect tax. Now this indirect tax prior to July 2017, this indirect tax was of many types. Like it was value added tax, VAT, it was excise tax, it was service tax, n number of taxes we had to pay. But after July 2017, all these taxes were combined in one, and this is known as GST. That is Goods and Services Tax. Now this Goods and Services Tax is basically of two types. One tax is that we have to pay intrastate and the other one is that we have to pay interstate. If it is a case of intrastate means same state and interstate means different state. Now see, let's suppose rate of GST is what? 18%. Now if it is a case of same state, that is intrastate, so we have to pay two types of taxes, that is CGST and SGST. This CGST is central GST and this SGST is state GST. This will be 9% of MRP whatever product we have bought, and this will be 9%. Matlab iska half is divided into two. One goes to central and the other one goes to state government. Now if it is a case of different state, in that case what we calculate? We calculate IGST. IGST is Integrated Good Service Tax, Integrated GST. तो इसमें हम डायरेक्ट 18% of MRP calculate करते हैं, and this 18% goes to central government only, and then the central government divides this 18% into its respective states. But if it is the case of same state, then half goes to central government and half goes to that respective state only. So this is all about GST concept. Now we'll be solving the questions related to this concept only. Now the question is, a dealer in a city buys some goods worth rupees 6,000 from same city. If rate of GST is 18%, find how much will the dealer pay for the goods bought. Now dealer is buying goods, he has to pay some tax. So we can say that cost price of goods is rupees 6,000. Since the question is of same city, that means state is same, rate of GST is given. Rate of GST is what? 18%. So obviously now CGST will be what? 9% of 6,000. So if we'll solve it, 9 by 100 into 6,000, thus we'll get 540. Similarly SGST, 9% of 6,000. So this will be 9 by 100 into 6,000. This 0 and 0 will be cancelled. Answer will be 540. So dealer will pay 6,000, that is the amount of the goods, cost price of the goods, 540 plus 540. So answer will be 7080 rupees dealer has to pay. So the question is, find amount of bill for the following intrastate transaction. Intrastate, that means same state. तो सेम स्टेट है तो देयर विल बी 2 GST, दैट इज CGST एंड SGST. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन रेट ऑफ GST is 12%, so CGST will be 6% and SGST will also be 6%. We have to calculate amount of bill for the following intrastate transaction of goods. Now this is MRP given and this one is discount. See, MRP of the product, MRP of the goods is 250, 200, 150 and 300. This is MRP and discount is given in these goods. So discount is what? 30%, 40%, 32% and 20%. Now if we'll calculate its selling price, so if discount is given to us, तो 30% इसका निकाल के हम माइनस कर देंगे. Or we can do one more thing कि SP is what? Discounted price. So if 30% is discount, so discounted price will be what? What price I have to pay? इसका 70%. So I'll write 70% of 250. Similarly here I'll write 60% of 200, 68% of 150 and 100 minus 20, that is 80% of 300. So if I'll calculate it, so I'll get what? 175. Here I'll get 120 and this will be 102 and this will be what? 240. So total इसका करेंगे हम, because this is the total amount I have to pay. So total amount is what? 637. Now in this price I have to pay tax. So CGST will be 6% of rupees 637. So 6 by 100 into 637. So answer will be 38.22. Similarly SGST will be 6 by 100 into 637. Here also answer will be 38.22. Now amount of bill, total amount of bill will be what? Amount of bill is 637 plus 38.22 plus 38.22. Thus answer will be 713.44. See, whatever discount is given to us, we'll calculate discounted price. 30% discount, so discounted price will be 100 minus 30, that is 70%. 100 minus 40, 60%. And then in this amount we have to calculate tax. Now if this discounted, if the tax is different in these, so हमको separately उसका tax निकाल के then we have to add everything. So now the question is, find amount of bill if 20 items are purchased for rupees 125 each. If rate of GST is what? 12%. Now what they have given to us? They have given MRP of one article. तो one article के MRP is 125. Number of items purchased, number of article, or we can say item. MRP of one item is 125. 20 items are purchased. So total MRP is 125 into 20. So MRP, if we'll multiply it, we'll get what? 2500. Now CGST will be what? 6% of 2500, 6 by 100 into 2500, 25 into 6 will be what? 150. Similarly, SGST will be 6% of 2500, so this will also be 150. So total amount will be what? Total amount is equals to 2500 plus 150 plus 150, that is 2800. See, this is how we have to calculate if the case is of intra-state. So today we have discussed each and every question that was related to intra-state. अगर डिस्काउंट दिया है तो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट डिस्काउंटेड वैल्यू एंड देन हमको उसमें जीएसटी ऐड करना है. जीएसटी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू, सीजीएसटी एंड एसजीएसटी. So this is how we have completed with our part 1 video. In my next video, we'll be discussing the questions related to interstate, that how we solve interstate questions. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.